2025 Liberty Coach Elegant Lady, the pinnacle of luxury motorhomes. Introduction. If you're looking for the most luxurious motorhome in 2025, the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady stands in a league of its own. With cutting-edge technology, unmatched craftsmanship, and 5-star amenities, this million-dollar motorhome is a rolling palace for those who demand the best. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 Liberty Coach Elegant Lady the ultimate choice for luxury travel. Exterior design, a statement of elegance. The Elegant Lady is built on the Prevost H3-45 VIP chassis, known for its durability, smooth ride, and sleek aerodynamic design. The exterior features include custom paintwork with intricate, handcrafted designs, integrated LED lighting for a stunning nighttime look, massive panoramic windows that enhance visibility and aesthetics, automatic awnings and outdoor entertainment systems. Every detail is designed to turn heads on the road while providing top-tier functionality. Ultra-luxurious interior, 5-star living on wheels. Stepping inside the 2025 Liberty Coach Elegant Lady feels like entering a luxury penthouse. The interior boasts handcrafted woodwork, premium leather upholstery, and high-end materials like marble and quartz countertops. Key features inside. Checkmark spacious living area, a high-end lounge with plush seating, a 4K smart TV, and a surround sound system. Checkmark gourmet kitchen, fully equipped with top-tier Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances, induction cooktops, and a wine cooler. Checkmark master suite, a king-sized bed, custom-built closets, and a private spa-style bathroom with heated floors and a rainfall shower. Checkmark smart home integration, control lighting, climate, security, and entertainment via a touchscreen panel or a mobile app. Checkmark state-of-the-art climate control, advanced heating and cooling systems ensure year-round comfort. Unmatched technology and performance. Unlike traditional RVs, the Elegant Lady is powered by a Volvo D13 engine, delivering a smooth and efficient ride. Additional tech includes lithium-ion battery system for extended off-grid capability, advanced driver assist features, including lane departure warnings and adaptive cruise control, smart energy management system to optimize power usage. This motorhome isn't just about luxury, it's also about efficiency and safety. Why the 2025 Liberty Coach Elegant Lady is worth the price. With a starting price of over $2 million, the Elegant Lady is a major investment. But for those who seek ultimate comfort, prestige, and cutting-edge technology, it's a dream home on wheels. Whether you're a luxury traveler, a high-end RV enthusiast, or someone who wants a second home on the road, the Liberty Coach Elegant Lady is the perfect choice in 2025. Would you buy this luxurious motorhome? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget,